Greetings again. Well, this is the happenings. I want to give you a tour from the front of my house garden and to the soul food garden. So this is in my front garden. As you can see, banana is arrived, shooting, bluebells pretty, flowers tree nice and decent. See them there? That's in the garden, front garden. So I'm gonna give you a tour now, straight over the farm. So you stay with me, man. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Look at this now. We're gonna go to the gate now. And we're gonna show you exactly the happenings now. Look at this beauty here. See there? Laziness is not an option. Wake up and put that seed in the ground today. I planted this peach tree 4 years ago, and look what we got here today. Peach is coming out. See him there? Peaches, original. Apple tree, see him there? Nice and decent. So this is soul food garden now. So we're gonna walk and show you guys exactly the happenings. So you stay tuned. Okay, see there now? Over there, that's the beans I was planting. See them there? Nice, everybody is running beautifully there. So over this side again, we got beans again. See there? Beans running. Beans again running. See them there? And this one, beetroot. Look how pretty they are. See there? Yeah, man. Nice and decent. Flower garden. See it? Beetroot, flower garden, trio style. See there? Beetroot over there as well. And then look at this one now. Let's show you this one now. Not to mention inside the greenhouse. Stay with me, you know. Please, just stay with me, man, and see the happenings in the soul food garden. See? Alright. We're gonna go to the greenhouse now. So look what we got here now. Beans and beetroot. See? That's cabbage. Yeah, man, giving seeds. All these are seeds, you know. See them there? Seeds, seeds. See them there? Loads of seeds. Yes. See it now? Runner bean. Start to bear. See it? When you see it flowering, they start to bear. See? Runner beans. Alright. Over this side now. Well, this is the potato I was showing you guys how to plant it into container to transplant. See them there now? In the box? See it? No difference. Everything carry on. Beautiful same way. We got beetroot over here and sorrel. Alright. Onion. Beetroot there. Beans again with pumpkin. Okay. And this is Gloria giving fruit. See Gloria there? Pear and Gloria. Okay. Greenhouse style now. Look at the cucumber now, man. See them there now? They start to running now. Look at this beauty here. Look at this beauty here. Start to running now. So wake up, man, and do some running too. Look at this now. Callaloo seed. See them there? Callaloo. Loads of callaloo. Red callaloo there. And look at this one now. Callaloo all over the damn place. No time to waste. Callaloo taking off. Over this side now. Look at this. The nursery bread. See them there? See them there? Bob Marley, Ziggy Marley. Look over there. Cucumber sucker still here. Look in this box here now. See it? Okra and callaloo going crazy. Plus, I've got callaloo ready to eat, you know, for myself, not for you guys. Start to see it already. That's how early we plant stuff. See it there? See them there? Coming beautiful. Yeah, man. Parsnips. Look at the beautiful parsnips in the box here. See them there? Stay tuned, man, and watch the video, no, man. And get motivation, no, man. Tomato sucker still in there. See it? Lettuce over here, ready to yam. See them there? Lettuce. Lettuce. See it there? Look at this one now. See it? Yellow onion over there. See it? What time is it? See them there? Time ready to cut. See them there? Beautiful. See it? Onion. And look at this one now. AKA Gungo. See them there? AKA Gungo. Alongside okra in pots. See them there? Watch that. More beautiful. More blessings every time. This is the garlic. Ready to come out soon. They're laying down now. And over there, we got red cabbage down the line there. See them there? I'm on top of purple cabbage. See them there? And we still got beetroot suckers. Loads in here. Beetroot. See there? And look at this now. Beautiful. Corn. Sweet corn in the greenhouse. Nice and green. And look at this one now. Tomato sucker. Lowe's is still here to come out the box here. And look at this again. See them there? Callaloo. Ilalu, where are you? I can see you. And we got sweet pea right now, bearing as well. So the greenhouse is green. The greenhouse is green. Yeah, man. Look at that massive beetroot over there, giving seed for later on. Pick up on yourself. Raspop is here. Laziness is not an option. Wake up. Get your one in the soil. More blessings every time. Even though it's a big garden, I still manage to maintain it. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean? See it? Let's show you this last one now. Last but not least. This one now I'm going to show you loads of. What's this one is? Strawberries. Look in here. All strawberries in the bush here, you know, I planted them a couple of years ago and everybody's going mad. And this one is the gooseberry, banana, soul food garden, more blessings every time.